Hey, hello today from the Blue Oval Car Barn. Finley Ledbetter here, actually sitting in the club room at the Blue Oval Car Barn on a stool for a change. We'll go out and look at a car in just a minute. I wanted to tell you a little bit of what we do here. Basically what we are is we're a operation that supports 71 Mustang enthusiasts, and we try to keep the muscle car legend alive with all types of muscle cars. We've got some Dodges, we've got some Chevrolets, I've got a 70 Z28 Camaro, I've got a Roadrunner, I've got some other stuff on display, Cougars, Torinos, Falcons, other things. So come down and see us. We have about 20 cars normally on display, and we'd like to address your group. We'd like to explain to you what the muscle car era was really like and what it was like in Mineral Wells. We're right underneath the Crazy Water sign next to the Baker Hotel. We're easy to find. Our phone number is right here. If you call me or email me here and let me know, I'll arrange a tour for you or your group. Anything that we can do to assist you. Anything that we can do as far as helping you find a car, find a part, qualify a car, get a car of particular pedigree checked out, make sure that it's what it's supposed to be. Primarily, we're 71 Mustang guys. Pretty small market, but that's what we do. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you at the Blue Oval Car Barn in Mineral Wells. We'll be at the Muscle Car Nationals in November. We'll be at the Boss Nationals in August. That'll be in East Moline, Illinois. Please think about coming out, seeing all the beautiful Boss cars. And we're going to have a special event here in Mineral Wells for everybody coming up real soon. And we'll get that out to everybody that we can. And we'll get it out to our Facebook group. Thanks a lot for following me. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Thanks for participating. Let's keep the legend alive. Let's keep the muscle car and the classic car world alive. And let's find a way to pass it down to these young guys and get them involved. That's really what this is all about. Thanks a lot. Finley Ledbetter coming to you from the Blue Oval Car Barn in Mineral Wells. Let's go do something out in the shop.